नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक टू वॉच फॉर जान 20 LTIMindtree, Tata Capital, Adani Power, CEAT and more. LTIMindtree, Tata Capital, CEAT, Oberoi Realty and Sai Silks. Kalamandir report mix Q3 financial year 2026 result, highlighting profit, revenue and leadership. Since here are few stock to watch ahead of Tuesday training session. The company posted a mixed Q3 financial year 2026 with net profit of 999.6 crore, down 30.5 sequentially and below the estimated 1,417 crore due to a one-time impact from new labor codes and revenue rose 3.7% QoQ to 10,781 crore, slightly above estimated, while EBIT improved to 1,737 crore with margins increasing to 16.1%. Revenue grew 3% sequentially to 1,208 million. Adani Power has secured a key victory at the NCLT Delhi, with the tribunal dismissing appeal against it is the 4,000 crore resolution plan for the Vidarbha Industries Power Limited, thereby upholding the NCLT Mumbai Bench approval. Stock to watch for Jan, LTIMindtree, Tata Capital, Adani Power, CEAT and more.